Okay, we are here at Roebling Road Raceway for a HPDE. It's just a regular old track day. No recorded times or anything. This is just for fun. Roebling Road Raceway is an SCCA-owned track. It's been here for like 60 years. And it's, in my opinion, probably the best track to do as a beginner. So Roebling Road has 9 turns. One long, almost, I think it's 2,000 foot long straightaway. Long sweeping turns. Some of them can get you a little bit in trouble, especially turn 6 is a little deceiving. And I've only been here once before to do the track day, my very first track day actually. I've done many other track days since then, but I could use some more practice here, definitely. So I have my lovely wife in the car with me today. She's never ridden in on a track day with me before. She's ridden with autocross, and she's done autocross actually here in your fit. But should be fun. We have a Hans for her, although we didn't have a extra fire suit, so we'll just have to take it easy. Although most people here don't even have fire suits anyway. Okay, so a little bit about the car. If this is the first video you're watching, it's a 2008 Mustang, heavily modified. 335 tires. It's the 3-valve 4.6, built Molnar rods, Manley pistons, 10 psi on the 2.3 liter TVS supercharger. Makes 521 wheel horsepower, 450 wheel torque. And we're getting on track. Up to the blend line here, make sure you merge cleanly into traffic. I found third gear in the back half of the course. It's just about perfect. First lap you want to take it kind of easy. Warm up your tires. You don't want to go hot rodding into a corner with cold tires, especially first session in the morning. You want to always watch your mirrors, make sure that anyone coming up behind you, faster drivers, crazier drivers, always want to give them the point by. It's kind of my rule of thumb. Even if I know someone's slower than me, I'm going to give them the point by. It's not worth it. There's no trophies at the end of the day. Turn 9 is always a little weird off camber, can be a little deceiving. I always take it way too tight. Into the 2,000 foot straightaway. Fifth gear in my car is overdrive, so a little useless. Tap the brakes are there. Now I'm not heel towing, trying to save my transmission. I'm just double clutching. Guy's heavy on the brakes. The crappy home-built Mustang's keeping up with the Porsche. by. Now he's getting track. We got yellow flag. Alright, something happened up here obviously. Looks like we got debris on the track. See if we're good at the next corner station. Looks like we are. And we are good to go. Always got to pay attention to your corner stations, especially when there's a lot of debris on track like that. You don't want to go hot dog into a situation with the car stuck. Looks like Ivy's stuck in limp mode, unfortunately. This is one of my friends I autocross with, his husband and wife team. Lisa's doing good here. She hasn't tapped me yet. I have my earplugs in, so I can't really hear much. But I relocated the mufflers underneath the car, which makes it quieter at a distance for autocross to pass sound ordinance. It makes it incredibly loud in the car. Turn 6, always a little weird. Super late apex. Always make sure you watch your corner stations. Yeah, I'm always too tight here. Into turn 1. I think I'm taking that too early. Okay, at least it's giving me the tap. We're gonna come in, do a cool down lap. So one thing I've noticed, doing track days like this is I cannot even ride with anybody. I get car sick on like 3 laps solid. And actually when I did the Primal Racing School, we had about 4 hours in the radicals, and after like 4 hours straight I was feeling it. I had to take a break actually, so I don't think I could ever really be an endurance driver. But we're gonna come in. I think it's saying my best lap time is a 1:36, which isn't very good. I had a 1:28.8 earlier. I'm not really going for time today. Really, I'm just trying to test to make sure that the car will not fly apart at speed at the Optima Ultimate Street Car Challenge, because I'm doing Daytona. So I think I'm just gonna call it quits here. Nothing is broke. I only got like 5 minutes left of my session. How was that? Good. It was fun? Yeah. Yeah, you get car sick quickly, don't you?
Well, it's just, I was doing okay until you sped up and then stopped.
Yeah, the heavy braking zone will do it to you. It's like, oh, it rips your face off. I'm barely even, I'm not braking that hard. So, like I said, I'm taking it easy. Well, that's it for this fun little hot lap. I hope you enjoyed our new helmet cam, and be sure to join us at the Optima Ultimate Street Car Challenge. See how that goes. Thanks for watching.